Good evening, all my dear students. I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at your home. Yes, this is your maths class and we are doing our chapter number 13, perimeter and area. So in the previous class also we discussed about perimeters, that how we can find the perimeters of curved shapes and shapes that have straight sides. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the perimeter of a rectangle. Now we discuss perimeter of different shapes, that how we can find them, how we can find their perimeters. So first one is perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So you know that this is a rectangular shape, this is rectangular shape, right? And this is the length and this is the breadth. This side is length and this is the breadth of the rectangular shape. If we have given this length, अगर हमें ये length कितनी given है 5 cm and this breadth is 3 cm, so how we can find their perimeter? तो हम इसका perimeter कैसे calculate करेंगे? Yesterday we discussed that we can sum all the sides of the rectangle. हम इसका क्या करेंगे? सभी sides का sum कर देंगे and then we can find their perimeter, right? So according to our previous knowledge, we can find the perimeter of a rectangle. कैसे calculate करेंगे? This 5 plus this 3 plus this 5 plus this 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 centimeters, right? Now we can see there are 2 5s and 2 3s, right? 2 5 है हमारे यहाँ पे and 2 3 हैं. So we can write them 5 plus 5 and 3 plus 3. Okay. Now there are 2 5s. 2 5s है, so we can write it like this also, that 2 multiply 5, or we can write here 2 times 5 we have given. So 2 times 5, 2 multiply 5 plus 2 times 3, because we have given 3 here 2 times and we have given 5 2 times here. So 2 times 5 plus 2 times 3, right? Now we can take 2 common. हमने दोनों में से 2 देखिएगा हमारा common है, so we can take this 2 outside. हमने 2 को बाहर लेके आए हैं and then we what comes inside the bracket? तो bracket में क्या आएगा? This 5 plus this 3. Okay, this 5 plus 3 and we take out this 2. हमने इस 2 को बाहर लेके आए हैं. Okay, and what is this 5 and what is this 3? 5 is the length of this rectangle and 3 is the breadth of this rectangle, right? So we write here L for 5 and B for 3. Okay, 3 क्या था हमारा? breadth. So breadth के लिए हमने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? B, and length के लिए हमने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? L. Okay, so what is the addition of this length and breadth? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2 bracket 8. And what does it mean? It means multiply. It means 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Okay. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? 16 centimeter. And what is the formula we derived by this? हमने क्या formula derive किया है इसका? That 2 multiply length plus breadth. Okay. Length plus breadth multiply by 2. This is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. Yes. Next topic is perimeter of a square. Yes, this is the square shape and now we want to calculate this square perimeter. Okay, the perimeter of this square. कि इस square का perimeter अब हमें calculate करना है. Okay, so this is the side, this is the side of this perimeter and you know that in a square all sides are equal. Square के अंदर सभी sides क्या होती हैं? Equal होती हैं. So this one is 2 centimeter. If this side is 2 centimeter, it means that all sides are of 2 centimeters. तो हर एक साइड कितने यूनिट का, सो हर एक साइड का मेजरमेंट कितना होगा? 2 centimeters. So now we want to calculate the perimeter of a square, but according to our rule, we know that what is perimeter? It is the sum of all sides. So now we start adding all sides of a square. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So all these 2 into centimeter, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 bracket centimeter. Okay, so now we can clearly see that 2 is repeating how many times? 4 times. So we can write it 4 multiply 2. 4 multiply 2 centimeters. Okay, it means 2 is repeating 4 times. 4 times 2 repeat हो रहा है, so we can write it 4 multiply 2 into 4 multiply 2 centimeter. And you know that 2, what is 2? This is the side, or we can say that length of each side. 2 centimeter क्या है हमारा? This is the length of each side. This is length of one side of a square. Okay, so 4 multiply 2. 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. So 8 centimeter is the perimeter of a square. And what is the perimeter of a square? We derive from this formula. Yes, and what is the formula of the perimeter of a square? Yes, we derive it. Yes, and what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter क्या होगा square का? Yes, 4 multiply length of each side of a square. Okay, जो length होगी side, जो length होगी हमारी हर एक side की square की. Okay, so length of one side of a square multiply by 4. This is the perimeter of a square. And what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth. So now let's discuss questions of let's try 2. Its first question is find the perimeter of the given shapes. So first its A part is, this is a rectangular figure and we have given its length and breadth. So its length is 10 centimeter and its breadth is 2 centimeter. So you know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Yes, what is the perimeter of a rectangle is? Yes, it's 2 multiply length plus breadth. So what is the length here? We put the values of length and breadth in the formula. So here 10 centimeter is the length of rectangle and 2 centimeter is the breadth of this rectangle. So after putting in these values in the formula, we will get 2 multiply 10 plus 2. Now we solve the bracket first. अब हम bracket को solve करेंगे पहले. Okay, so 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 multiply 12. So 2 multiply 12 is 24. It means that perimeter of this figure is 24 centimeter. Now question number first, its B part is, this is a square figure and now we have to calculate the perimeter of this square shape. Okay, so its formula is 4 multiply length of one side. So what is the length of one side here? Yes, this is 6 centimeters. So we can put the value of the length of one side. So 4 multiply 6. We put here 6 and 4 6s are 24. So it means that 24 centimeter is the required perimeter. Let us do question number 2 of your let's try 2. Its A part is, we have given here perimeter, length, but we have to find its breadth. So you know the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So we put the given values in this formula. हम इस formula के अंदर जो values हैं ये put करेंगे. So perimeter is 80 centimeter. 2 as it is. We write length as 28 plus B. We have to find its B value. B की value calculate करनी है. Now you can see that this 2 is in multiplication of this digit. यहाँ पे ये क्या है हमारा 2 multiply में है. So जब हम इसको is equal to के दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे, so ये क्या होगा divide. ये 2 कहाँ पे आएगा divide में. सो 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, जब हम 80 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से देन वी विल गेट 40, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 40 मिलेगा. ओके, सो वी विल गेट 40. So when we divide 80 by 2 then we will get 40 and 28 plus b. Okay, 28 plus b. So now you can write this b as it is, and जब हम इस 28 को दूसरी साइड इज इक्वल टू के दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो यहाँ पे ये प्लस का है, दूसरी साइड आके ये क्या हो जाएगा सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो 40 माइनस 28. सो जब हम 40 में से 28 को माइनस करेंगे देन वी विल गेट 12. Okay, so then it means that B means breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, similarly you can solve all the sums. आप इसी तरह से solve करेंगे. आपको perimeter given होगा, आपको breadth given होगी. Now you have to calculate length. तो आप जो जो values आपको given है वो formulas के अंदर put करेंगे and आप इनको shift करेंगे. जो आपको नॉन वैल्यूज हैं आप उनको राइट साइड में लेके जाइएगा और जो अननोन है उसको लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आइएगा एंड आप इसको सॉल्व कीजिएगा. ओके.